Hi guys!
Hi everyone!
So today we're doing something brand new for us. We're going to our first ever CL. Right, so over to Sarah for what is a CL?
So CL stands for Certified Location. You generally have to be a member of a club to have access to one. The two main clubs in the UK, Caravan and Camping Club and the Caravan and Motorhome Club. And we're a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. So there's a set of CLs that you can access through that. Maximum of 5 pictures.
So
to
that's
be a
CLs
CL.
from the CAMC.
That's it, yeah, if you want to really crack on with your letters. So maximum of 5 pictures. There's no requirement for them to have any services at all, so it can go from anything from being a field,
isn't it? Yeah.
with a gate that you can get through, up to some of them where you'll find there's a nice hard standing pitch and showers and toilets and things like that.
Yes.
They're all accessible, certainly through the Caravan and Motorhome Club website or app, but you generally can't book them through the app. It'll be phone call to, or pay. It'll be a phone call to the owner of said CL that you've decided to stay at. So one of the reasons we chose to be a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club a couple of years ago, just before we picked up our van, was for this, and then we've never managed to actually stay at one ever since. So
yeah, we're going to Uppingham. There is a CL which is walking distance on a little farm. It's walking distance to the centre of Uppingham by the looks of it. Never been to this one before.
Been to Uppingham.
Been to Uppingham loads of times.
Yep.
They usually only book for 2 nights at the weekend, but they had space at short notice, so they've been really kind to us and they've allowed us to do 1 night. So we're doing a Saturday night. That gives us a chance to walk into Uppingham tonight, hopefully, or this afternoon. Maybe get a meal at a pub somewhere, show you around Uppingham a little bit, see if it's of any interest, see what dog walk we can do, because for some reason Roxy's been really grumpy in the van this afternoon. So we're going to have to walk the legs off her to make sure that she can be quiet tonight, so we get some sleep. And yeah, we'll see. Price quoted for this night, £22, including electric. This one doesn't have showers, it doesn't have toilet block or anything like that, but it does have water and wastewater. We're going to see whether we can persuade them to let us have it a little bit cheaper, because we don't really want the electric, because all the stuff that we've done in the van, we don't need it. So we'll see whether they'll do it for 20 quid. That's going to be my pitch to her. See whether they can get it for 20 quid. They take cash and bank transfer. So nice and straightforward. Friendly lady on the phone. Really looking forward to it. Let's get over there.
Let's go.
Up this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a little sign, look.
Little
sign. Let's have a look in here then. Yeah, Caravan and Motorhome Club CL.
Oh, crikey, I spot rabbits.
I'm just going to pause here a minute and just spin the camera around to the left. Because look, I see vans. Right, a quick phone call later, and yellow post tops mark the middle of the pitch, and they've got 2 pitches free, and we can pick whichever one we want down here at the bottom. So in terms of facilities here, pretty straightforward. You've got drinking water, which Sarah's about to fill up her bottle from, obviously recycling and waste. You've got your Elsun disposal for chemical toilets, and you've got some grey water disposal there as well. So really super simple. Well then, what do you reckon to this?
This is stunning.
It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And they did do us a deal on the electric. Yeah, awning out, bit of sun coming through. What's not to like, eh?
Yeah, all good.
It's really good. Dog's having a roll.
Yeah, she's happy.
Yeah, she's happy. Beautiful view in front of the van here as well. These pitches, because they're kind of lined up right next to the fence, got that incredible view in the morning when you open the side door on the van. And we're going to have some breakfast out here in the morning. It's going to be absolutely stunning. Really nice. Yeah. So, time for a bit of lunch, I think. And then let's have a wander into town. Right, we're off for a walk into town after having a nice bit of lunch. You can see the van, or the vans lined up behind me, overlooking that amazing view. Let's see what this walk into town's like. So apparently there is a footpath across the field, and that should take you into the centre. You can walk down here and just turn left and go down the road, which there's a footpath and stuff, it's all safe. But seeing as we've got a bit of time and the weather's nice and everything, let's go and wander over the fields then. So we've been politely reminded by the campsite owner, not because we've done anything wrong, but we've been politely reminded not to walk over the cricket square, because clearly that's not good form at all. But you can walk around the edge of this cricket ground here from the school here, Uppingham School, and then that takes you into the centre apparently. So let's be nice and respectful to this nice cricket ground.
For breakfast.
Brilliant.
Card
machine, I love it. That's cool.
So we've come up through the Arboretum and we've ended up directly opposite a nice looking Indian restaurant.
Ooh, with a garden.
With a nice little beer garden, lovely.
Lovely.
And if I'm right, I'm pretty sure town centre's down this way.
Lead the way. These gardens are incredible, aren't they?
Owned by Uppingham School.
Part of the school?
Yes, and Uppingham School's a very famous school. Lots of famous people have been there.
Go on then.
I'm not entirely sure I could name any of them without doing a proper Google, but I've looked it up a good few times.
Right, a bit later on we're going to mention it. Yes.
We will do. But, stunning school grounds, amazing architecture here in Uppingham.
What a building, look. So this here says Uppingham School, 1584. That's old.
Very old.
That's old, that. There are lots of tourist information type boards and QR codes dotted around that we've seen. So if you are on a bit of a heritage trail or anything like that, there's loads to see here. Well, you know you're in a good place when the carpet shop here sells Roger Oates stair runners. Look at that. Well, I think it's probably fair to say it's a pretty posh place, this. It's basically full of really nice looking pubs, the odd restaurant,
art galleries,
fine food places.
And nice trinkets.
Yeah, and expensive carpet. So if you're coming here because you want to go to a White Stuff or a Fat Face or your kind of regular high street stuff, it's not really that place. No. Go to Stamford instead.
Which has still got a lot of nice, but also
nice.
Has some regular, more high street things.
But this is definitely a bit more of a lovely, calm place just to have a look around, have a nice drink and have a relax, which actually suits that CL perfectly. It really does. So then, Don Paddy's.
On the square.
On the square.
Not too sure who Don or Paddy or Don Paddy is.
I don't know, but
seems very pleasant.
This is good. That's kind of, yeah.
I'm liking it at the moment.
But that's fine. If you like it, you like it. And yeah, we're on the square. Very nice. Are we going to a wedding?
I think we might have stumbled upon a wedding or something similar. There's a lot of people around and a lot of bells ringing.
Now then, time to give the dog a bit of a wander, I think.
I think she's taken us for a wander, to be honest.
Well, I think, if memory serves me right, there is a park just over there. And you can probably see behind Sarah, there's a big co-op. So if you're here and you need any food shopping or anything else, if you're staying at that CL, and you don't fancy paying the prices in the butcher for some sausages, which...
beautiful, I'd imagine.
Oh yeah, but if you just want regular common garden sausages.
Yeah. And if Will spins round as well, there's also a fish and chip shop.
So there is. So there is. So yes, there's quite a few different options here, isn't there? You don't have to...
Oh, and a Chinese takeaway he will have
I spotted it.
there as well. Yes.
But we're going to head to the park, give the dog a bit of a run around, burn off some of that energy. She doesn't like the bells for the wedding. She's very stressed. Oh, Roxy, look at this park for you. Look at this. Perfect. But I'm going to have a go on the swing.
Quite enjoyed that. Not been on a swing in a very long while.
Ah, well, you're not going to like what's here, are you? An outdoor gym. Yeah, let's keep walking past that, shall we?
Like torture.
So I don't know whether you caught a glimpse of this on the way in or not, but there is a huge Harley Davidson dealer here, and it's very slick, I have to say. They've got some serious machinery in here. Never had a Harley Davidson myself, but I tell you what, I know nice quality kit when I see it.
We are in Rutland, being in Uppingham, and Rutland, for those of you who might know, is the England or the UK's smallest county. Its Latin catchphrase is multum in parvo, which means much in little, because it's a tiny place, but there's lots here. So if you take a look at a map of Rutland, you can find that we're down here in Uppingham, and there's three really beautiful market towns that make up or as part of Rutland. So you've got Oakham, north of where we are, and Stamford to the east of where we are there, which I think is not actually technically in Rutland by the looks of it. I think it's actually just over the border into Lincolnshire, or it might even be in Cambridgeshire, because we're on a kind of corner here. So, but we always tend to think about Stamford as being within the same kind of area. And right slap bang in the centre is Rutland Water, which is a beautiful reservoir. It's a triple SI, got lots and lots of nature reserves and things for you to go and have a look at there. Bike hire, beautiful bike rides, campsites, Linden Top and a couple of other ones that are there as well. Lovely pubs, beautiful little villages for you to have a look around too. So that's a little bit of history there for you too. Apart from what we missed out from earlier about Uppingham School. So I've read about it so many times. Every time we come here I read about who was famous, who went here. We always say, oh, maybe it was Jeremy Clarkson, but no, he was Repton School. Uppingham School is Hugh Jackman, and what was the name of the other one? Stephen Fry.
Yeah.
So there you go, a couple of famous alumni even from Uppingham School there.
Well, we are off to the pub for a bite to eat. Managed to book in.
We did.
The first place we tried was fully booked, and that was 8 till 6, 6 till 8 they were fully booked.
There was another one, but that was privately booked out.
It was. Busy place.
Yes.
Yes, it is the summertime, so
it is.
Not really surprising. But this pub looks really good. Good menu, small bites, pizza, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And you've spotted Hugo Spritz on the menu as well, I think.
I have, yes. A little taste of Italy up here in Uppingham.
Oh, yes. That's what we like. So, a nice kind of sun-setting almost kind of walk in.
Yeah. Nice long shadows.
It's absolutely beautiful here. So we're going to give the roadway a bit of a go. There's a footpath next to the road pavement all the way down to the centre, and when you come down here you are in the slightly slower speed limit, so it's not terrible. It's not like you've got 60-mile-an-hour cars coming past you, but it is a bit of a hill though, so do watch out for that. So we finally remembered what it's called. It is the Crown.
It's not difficult to remember really, is it?
It's not. It's not. But here it is. So let's go and grab our table. Well, time for a toast, I think.
I have an Allura Spritz, which is a lemony one.
Yeah, to the first ever CL. Cheers. Cheers. I have to say I'm very impressed with the menu here. So on the other side of this there's pizza, sourdough pizza, but look at all these small plates they do. Gyros, burgers, salads, tacos. If you can't find something you like on here, I'll be very surprised.
I kind of feel like I fit in and I'm a bit more at home here. As much as the place that we had a drink outside of earlier was lovely, I think I might have felt a tad underdressed in my nice jeans and a fairly okay t-shirt, to be honest. And just because they allow dogs to sit outside doesn't necessarily mean they allow them in. It's very pleasant inside there when I went to go and get Roxy's water bowl filled up.
Now, you know, we've been dieting. I'm not
Have
sure.
ordered too much.
I'm not. I'm not sure this is compatible with dieting. But
These meant to be two small plates.
whereas my burger is meant to be a full plate, and that looks quite small. But who knows?
Well,
it looks all right to me.
I think we could share this burrata, dipping burrata thing, so
I think we can.
we'll all be good.
Definitely. So I think the fact that there is a band setting up in the background could turn this from being a good night into a great night. We're just going to have to watch the dog because she's got pretty sensitive hearing, so if she doesn't like it, we're going to need to be out of here. But let's see. Hopefully it won't be too loud and she'll be able to manage it. Great meal, by the way. Super tasty. Oh, we've taken our opportunity to leave the pub at the interval from the band, and I think the dog's had enough now. It was about on the limit for her, I think, wasn't it, in terms of noise? So, yes, let's give her a bit of a break and head back to the van. And that's a nice easy walk from here, just straight down the road, and we'll be straight back at the CL.
It's about 800 metres, something like that.
It really isn't far,
Yeah.
is it? And a super meal, actually. Really enjoyed that.
Yeah, that's good.
So while Sarah's having a shower in the van, I thought I'd give Roxy a quick stretch of the legs, and I've stumbled across this, the Scandi Coffee Company. So, 2 cappuccinos to go. I'm going to take one back for Sarah. There we go then, first CL tick.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, if you're thinking about somewhere for either a quick night stop or a nice weekend breakaway, that kind of thing, this one's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah.
Is it Rectory Farm, isn't it?
Yes.
Rectory Farm, Uppingham. Got to be a member of Caravan and Motorhome Club to be able to come here though, so just bear that in mind. But I just did a quick coffee run this morning. You just saw the coffee shop Scandi. That was about 25 minutes round trip, just a gentle walk with the dog. So really, really pleasant.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've been lucky with the weather because it hasn't rained.
And beautifully quiet overnight. You're fairly close to the busy-ish road, but that was not busy overnight at all.
Yeah, well you say that, but there was a woodpecker.
There was a woodpecker.
Which always makes me nervous that it's the van making a funny noise. But you just remind me it's a woodpecker. So, yeah, beautiful countryside, well worth a visit. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon for some more Campervan Time.